past weekend, Brian and I took a small day trip to Palm Springs. We went to see the Mirage, which is a mirrored house, and also to check out a waterfall in Tahquitz Canyon. Hope you enjoy the video. After the Mirage House, we visited Tahquitz Canyon. It's part of the Agua Caliente Indian Reservation, and so you do have to pay to visit this facility, which at the time of our visit was $5 per adult. It's a 2-mile looping trail which takes you back to the falls. You will gain about 351 feet in elevation. The trail has little shade and it's very exposed, so you'll want to make sure you bring lots of water. Based on the pictures back at the ranger station, the water gets a lot fuller than this. Right now it's only at his ankles, but as Brian walks towards the back of the rock, it actually drops to about your waist level, so you for sure could swim back there and get refreshed after that long hot walk.